Hi, my name is Sasha Weiman. I'm an ACM practitioner at Amtra Solutions. And for today's tech tip, I'm going to show you how to do word clouds in your Teams meeting polls. So like with any other Teams meeting poll, you can add them in ahead of time. So I can go ahead and I can hit the plus button and add in forms. Always remembering that you can do this during the meeting too. And then we have this new feature in our Teams meetings with the polls app, and that is the word cloud poll. So you get open text responses displayed in a dynamic word cloud. So I have seen this used for everything from how are you feeling today? How do you want to name that intranet? Where do you want to go for lunch? So I'll use this as an example. And then we see we just have a text field that attendees can respond in. And then we've got the same settings. We can share that word cloud with respondents or not. You can keep those responses anonymous. It doesn't really matter if you check this off. Your attendees won't be able to see their responses or who made the response. And then you've got the allow others to co-author. So if you check this, co-presenters can also edit your poll while it's a draft. So if unchecked, only you, as the person who added this word cloud, would be able to edit that poll. I'm going to turn that on and save. So now we can see we've got a word cloud poll in draft status. I can launch this ahead of time. So if you wanted to send this in chat before your meeting even started, your attendees would get this poll. You can always edit or delete it. I'm not going to launch it until I actually join the meeting. So I'm going to join the meeting. And now that I'm in the meeting, I can see that I've got my polls app at the very top right. So if I click that, there's that word cloud I created. I'm going to go ahead and launch it. And now everybody has this word cloud poll that they can put a response in. And you can submit more than one. So there we go. I've got one response. So this can be a really great tool for brainstorming or gathering ideas. And then a really neat feature of this is you can hover over a word and you can like it. So you can actually log votes for specific words. If you were doing some kind of vote or wanted to choose a name for an initiative of some form, this can be a great tool for that. So the more likes that a word gets, the larger it will appear in your word cloud. So we can see the more responses we get and the more we vote on, the larger they will appear in the word cloud. And it adjusts in real time. Now this will always stay for you as either the meeting organizer or the presenter in your Forms poll feed. You can also see it in your meeting chat as well. And then when you're ready, like with any other meeting poll, you can close it, you can see the response details, you can export it, or you can delete the poll. And just as a reminder, even when your meeting ends, you can always come back here to your meeting record in your Teams calendar and view those response details and export them from here as well. So that has been the tech tip for today. Thank you for listening.